It's not about picking stocks. It's about picking the right portfolio.
I'll go a subscriber question for the first question. It says, essentially, how do you manage risk around earnings events? And does risk around these kinds of events rise when it's in the midst of a quad regime shift?
Yeah. Okay. So good, important question. Thank you for that one. Total shift, which I needed. But I can go from. Can you go from Spain to the Netherlands to wheat to some stocks? Yeah, because that's what our process does. We don't fall in love with stocks. We like DraftKings though. Okay, so let's do DraftKings 1 versus Roku 2. DKNG, both of our, so DKNG and Roku. Let's do analyst versus Floki. Floki is also known as Cam the Viking because he's long Sweden. Okay, so coming into the number, analyst likes it, Floki likes it. Coming into the number, analyst likes it, Floki don't like it. So that's screen number 1 all the time, never mind going into an earnings catalyst. All right? Then you got the next level. On this one, where is the risk range? Top end of the risk range for this was 45. I discussed it on the call. Even if I didn't discuss it, I know where that is. I know where the top end of the range is for everything. It's right in my laptop. It's on my desktop. Top end of the range was that. I don't know what the top end of the range was for this, but I know where the bottom end of the range is, and it just blew through it. These guys go down off the top end of the range. Jenkins gets on the call and he says, hey, bullish, 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 da-da-da-da-da. I'm like, agreed. That's why it got to the top end of the range because it discounted that going into the number. Stock had gone from 34 to 45 into the number. So when something's bullish and it's confirming from both the analyst and the signal into an event, I would sell some because it's at the top end of the range.
It all makes sense. I just see the analyst as closer to the trend signal, and Floki's more closer to that trend and trade signal. So you add bullish on trend, you have double bullish, that's better than single bullish.
Yes.
I think of it pretty simply.
Good.